All right, good morning, guys. Felt like it's been forever, but I basically took a week off because of the holidays, you know, Christmas time, some of the rainy days, and overall I knew the market was going to be slow, so I just decided to take it easy. But I'm back for today because I know tomorrow is going to rain, and so it's a few days after Christmas, so I don't expect it to be, you know, that good today, but I'm just gonna take what I can get. And one thing I'm gonna do today is just watch out for puddles, because that's one thing I don't want to end up going too fast over, because I remember like a few years ago I used to have a little scooter, like a moped kind of, you know, it was a Honda Metropolitan, and I fell off that thing going probably close to 30 miles. It must have been like a little over 25 miles. That was in the valley in the morning time, and I had a leather jacket, so I got real lucky, but my legs got scraped, and yeah, it was bad. I slid probably like 15 feet on the ground, or probably like 20 feet. I just remember sliding, but yeah, that hurt real bad. My adrenaline was pumping though, so I felt it later. But yeah, that's what I think about that every time I'm in the rain now. So far I haven't received any orders. I have both DoorDash and Uber Eats going, and downtown looks pretty dead right now. Like, this doesn't even feel like a weekday or a weekend. It feels basically like a holiday still. And that's because people are still out, you know. They're still at home, they're still at vacation. What's today? Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday 28th. Yeah, there are people that are probably still out on vacation. I don't know if I don't try today, I won't be able to try tomorrow for sure, because rain's coming again. Man, it's getting pretty damn cold now. I'm starting to need leg warmers, and I have some new gloves coming in from REI, so I'm pretty sure those are gonna work good. But man, like, I can feel it in my knees now. So upper body, I'm all good. Lower body, yeah, I gotta get some leg warmers. All right, guys. So I got the first order already. It's LA Cafe, and let's check out the items right now. 2 LA Cafe sliders. So I'm pretty sure those don't have drinks unless it's like a full meal. So that's pretty easy. See if I can make my way through here. Yoink. And I'm gonna try to keep it moving, because man, if I don't move, I'm gonna freeze out here. Yeah, it's that cold now. All right, just around the corner right here, this little shop where you see where the lights are at.
Hello. Gotta pick up for a gin. Not ready yet? No. Okay. About how many more minutes?
Like 10 more minutes.
Okay. Oh, can you guys call me? I'll be sitting outside. Okay. All right, cool.
Man, that spot took forever. 5 minutes. When you hear 5 minutes, you know it might be like 10 minutes. But this is the kind of thing you expect during these times, especially just because the market is overall just like that now. No one wants to work at restaurants. Everybody wants to deliver food. in a way, it's like, can you blame them? Because would I work at a restaurant? Nope. Do I deliver food? Yep. And I guess that's what everyone else wants to do. But yeah, these restaurants, they're just backed up. I miss the days when they were fast. I miss the days. Those days are over. Over. All right, let's pedal faster to get over there. In a timely manner. That way I stay warm. Because man, just waiting out there in the restaurant outside, I was getting cold. And I wasn't even moving, you know, like usually like this moving on a bike, you feel the wind hitting you, but my fingers were getting cold. I just got an email though telling me that my delivery got home. I wish I had gotten there sooner so I'd be able to try out the new gloves. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, I always slow down when people are just standing there because I don't trust those people, man. They move back and bam, that's it. But yeah, I got the email telling me my gloves arrived. Can't wait to try them. And I got them from REI just because sometimes I get tired of gambling with Amazon. You see a bunch of good reviews and then you see a bunch of bad ones, and then you're like, you know, is it worth it? Is it worth buying the damn gloves? So I just went with REI, which is reputable. Most likely the customer won't be outside, even though it says meet outside. And they take forever sometimes in this building. All right, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. We are here. All right, so I got that order out the way. The guy didn't take too long, maybe about 3 minutes. All right, so I missed the Chipotle order while I was waiting. I should have taken it, but it was from DoorDash, and I didn't know how long this guy was gonna take to pick up the food. But yeah, I didn't want to be in that situation where I'm waiting too long and then the DoorDash order is late and I get penalized, or I'm forced to cancel and then my completion rate goes down, you know? So yeah, let me turn on my DoorDash and let's hope I get another order right now. Should be picking up, but I don't really trust these apps when they say you know, it's getting more higher request. I don't think it's that busy. I don't know if it's just me, but man, when I start feeling pretty cold, like my fingers and my legs or my feet, although I'm not like freezing to death, it almost feels like it's harder to think straight. I start feeling all confused. You know it's dead out here when you're riding around and you see other couriers riding around just as aimless as you. And it's like they're just riding around because there's nothing to do. Like they're hoping that they get to a spot that could give them a job, but it's not doing anything. So it's just I just see a bunch of people like me just riding around. Like, man, this is kind of a waste of time. And then I'm seeing all these people. It looks like nobody's working. It looks like people that are on vacation or coming down from their apartments, just chilling. They're not going to work. So that guy got 2 bags. But man, like, look, these are people just chilling. They're not going to work, or you know, they're not trying to order anything. They're trying to be outside, even if it's cold. They're just trying to, you know, relax and take it easy. And I'm thinking, man, relax, take it easy at home and order some Uber Eats, man. Something. But yeah, that doesn't seem to be the case today. Well, I got something right now. I got a Simply Salad order. 2 items. And yeah, they're pretty slow, so probably gonna wait there. But that's a lot better than nothing, right? That's the theme of today. It's better than nothing. All right, so they had the item ready, so that's nice. And I'm delivering to one of these little areas, Temple in Spring. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Look, is that news reporter guy. I don't know who it is, but it's probably about that some shooting at the Burlington. All right, so I'm gonna guess it's this building up here. The instructions said park on Broadway, which is not really clear. I'm gonna go up Broadway and then I'm gonna figure it out from there. Sometimes the instructions are kind of like they kind of throw you off. But yeah, this area is just all like courts and police department, that kind of stuff. And tents, lots of tents. All right, got that order out the way. Customer took about 5 minutes to come out. Wow, look at all this. I love this park. So they probably got some little music event going for later on this windy day. But yeah, summertime here, this is the spot. That's the place to be at. Not now though. Yeah, it's just nice to get that order. Now I might wait another 20 minutes to get another one. Yeah, it's pretty dead. So why these rocks look like gorillas? Look at these rocks. Don't they look like gorillas or something? Different animals, I don't know. Some kind of art. Yeah, this is kind of dead. I'm gonna go this way. And since the year is over, I'm over here thinking, what are my plans for the new year? Thank you. Whoa, 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 motherfucker, shit. These idiots, they don't even, they get all in the bike lane and then they don't think someone might be on a bike in the lane, in the bike lane. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking about calling this a day. It's pretty dead. And I'm out here just riding my bike. I guess it's good for exercise if I look at it that way, but yeah, I'm not getting any orders. How can Uber Eats do me like that? But yeah, and especially because there's a lot of couriers they're just standing there like waiting. So even if I were there were to be an order, there's a chance they get it and not me, you know? So it was nice to come out here. Nice to come out here and just leave the house. But as a way to make money, hell no. Hell to the no. To the no, no, no. I kind of wanna just ride around though, just for fun. Thinking about it, but nah, this is just a waste of time. So let's just say peace out, guys. See you tomorrow.